We're live. Let's start. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our live stream. My name is Galt. I'm founder of the company Realiste. Today, I'm going to speak about how to pick the right neighborhood, right location for real estate investment, how to identify undervalued locations, and how to pick the location which bring you a lot of profits once you invest in residential real estate. This is my live stream number 2 on this week. Previous live stream was about how to pick cities. And if you know me, it's wonderful. If you don't know me, let me explain you what we do and let me make a self introduction. First of all, I'm the top tier one analytics in terms of residential real estate across the world, and my company Realis has made the first technology that covering all the cities across the world and more than 100 cities, more than 20,000 locations. And this system tracks everything that is happening with the residential real estate markets across the world. About myself, so I wrote hundreds of articles wrote about me by global media like local media in UAE, global media like Bloomberg, other medias across the world. And also, I'm the architect of analytics system in terms of real estate across the world. And this is unique technology. Today, I'm going to present you how to use this unique platform. It's free for you, and more how to identify the hidden gems on real estate markets across the world. I'm going to give you some insights from my previous experience and my experience in residential real estate more than 20 years so far. I closed personally 300 transactions, 300 investment made with residential real estate. All transactions were positive. So my best earn on residential real estate investment was 278%, if I remember right. The worst investment was 7% return, and 300 investment between. Today, I'm going to share with you some insights about the platform, how to use it, how to pick the markets, how to pick residential real estate, and today we're going to speak about neighborhoods. The next live stream, number 3, that is going to be take place this week is going to be how to pick developers, how to pick units, how to pick projects, what is best, what is a better off-plan like primary real estate market or secondary, how to identify the best rent and how to escape a lot of problems and obstacles, and how to be not disappointed once you invested in a bad real estate. All this pluses and minuses about how to identify the best property I would like to share with you on the live stream number 3. Let's start how to identify the how to identify the neighborhoods in different cities. I'm going to present you how the system works and how you should identify the neighborhoods with the potential on the Dubai example, but you can use the same system on different cities across the world and the same knowledge and same insights wherever you are, wherever you live, or wherever you would like to invest. Okay, let's start. So, by the way, if you would like to get the link for the recorded stream that was previous, like in the number 1, how to identify the big markets and interesting markets, I will give you the link. You will ask it in the chat bot, and you will get the link. So let's start. So, first of all, this is a platform of Realist. It's free. And it covers 124 cities and all information about the cities in different slices of data. Let's go to Dubai market specifically. Let's have a look. So you click Dubai market, you click show me locations. In these locations, in this map, you're going to see that what is the pricing across different locations in Dubai with the price in your currency you would like to see. You can click here and pick the currency you would like in pounds, in dirhams, in dollars, in your local currency, in Indian currency, whatever. So, and the system recalculates by current exchange rates all the prices across the world for you. If you would like to pick not meters but square feet, you also can do it. Let's play with meters. For now, let's work with meters, so it's going to be more convenient for most of the audience. Yeah, neighborhoods in Dubai. And first of all, let me compare like Dubai neighborhoods for with the London neighborhoods, for example. So let's pick the price for neighborhood in Dubai and London. Let's go to London for 1 second. London is the capital of Great Britain. On this map, you're gonna see a lot of cities in Germany, in France, in UK, in the United States, and Europe, China, whatever, Tokyo, etc. Okay, let's pick the London and let's have a look at locations. In London, you will be able to see the prices, average price per meter on residential real estate. And the most expensive, Kingston and Chelsea, $20,000 per meter, but we can click this button and have a look what neighborhood and location is the most affordable with $6,300 per square meter. It's Barking and Dagenham. Let's have a look at the quality of real estate here, and the quality of real estate here, we're going to find that it's quite simple, right? Quite affordable. And just remember 6,300. Let's go back to Dubai. Click Dubai, click in locations. And something amazing that this is approximately the same price as downtown and Business Bay with the $6,800 per meter. But the quality of real estate here is business class with business class amenities, with a doorman, with a pool, with a gym inside, etc., and more and more and more. That's how now you're able to compare any neighborhood in any city with other cities and other neighborhoods across the globe. And this is the first time in history that you are able to do it on a global scale and just give access to all neighborhoods and prices across the globe using this system. First of all, let me share this link to the system and I will continue to show you how to pick the neighborhoods. So, because I'm afraid if I just continue right now, I probably will forget to send it to you. So while I'm copying the link and I will send it to the chat in this live stream, it's going to be wonderful if you just send me in this chat the message where you're from, what you're looking for in residential real estate and investment, what is your strategy, and maybe some questions that I could ask and, that I could answer. And you will get your personal insights about your personal situation and case. So copy the link and send to the chat. Now I hope you get it. So please save it because this link is a very important thing and it's free and it gives you access to all information across residential real estate across the world. So let me show you something else that we have here. Let's click on for example, the layer of the data rental yield. And just in one click, we can see the best rental yield that you can get from your investment in Dubai. Some locations like GBR, like Marina, is already overvalued, and you're going to get only 3.7% return on a long-term rental here. So it's not literally the best investment for buying something and rent it out. That's how you can easily identify the neighborhoods with the potential for the rent or for forecasting, for appreciation, etc. And what locations are not so good for now, the prices are too high. So, for example, we can just have a look at Jumeirah Village Circle. This is a very strong neighborhood with strong traction and demand. It's 5.7. So across the Dubai, the average is approximately 4.7. So yellow neighborhoods, it's average return in Dubai in dirhams or dollars because dirham equals dollar. And the purple locations are undervalued. And you're going to get a better return on your investment if you would like to buy and rent it out. So simple in one click, literally. Cool, right? Let's go to the next thing. Using this technology, for example, we can ask the system by, let's show me the neighborhoods where the prices grew for the past 12 months, most of all. You make one click and you get all information about the price changes for the past 12 months in Dubai by neighborhoods. And you're going to see that some neighborhoods already grew in 1 month like 20%. And some neighborhoods have So have opposite growth, right? So with GBR minus 11%, PAL minus 6%. So not all neighborhoods are good for growth and for investment. That's how easily can identify the neighborhoods with the potential. Also, you can click like show me the neighborhoods with the best potential for the forecasting for the price growth. You click for the 3 years, and you're gonna get the potential of growth for price for neighborhoods super easy by one click. And this technology collected 400 sources of information about the macroeconomic, rent, demand, transactional data, listings website, clean data from listings website, from fakes and duplicates, etc. Take information directly from developers, from government, from United Nations, etc. What is about population, inflation, growth, safety, etc. All in one, just to let you know literally what opportunities are the best in terms of all locations in Dubai or all locations across the world. That's something incredible in real, but it hasn't developed before because it was impossible. We use a lot of bunch of models, AI, ML, etc., just to bring all this information to you guys. Also, just let me share the last, for example, interesting layer, and you're gonna spend your time by have a look at the system. For example, we have a bubble rating, bubble index, and in this bubble index, something interesting because some locations already overvalued with the price too high, and just technology shows you what locations are not good for investment and for buying something. And if you would like to see explanation how we identify it, you can click this button and see all explanation about it. Or you can go a little bit on the bottom and just click what is a bubble index, how it works, what data we use, like 100 sources of data, and what is the value of these sources of data in the whole analysis, and how the platform works if you would like to get more information and insights about how the platform works for you. Good. So now you know that we have hundreds of layers of data, and that's how we just identify the opportunities on the market. And we have a lot of analytics in my company that help clients, investors across the world to pick the best neighborhoods, the best assets, and the best real estate investment, or for your personal use, for your personal life, what literally is the best city, neighborhood, apartments, building, and community, etc. All these analytics weight you, and they work for free for you, for your personal case and you for your personal investment strategy. They're gonna make analysis for you, show you how you can invest money, how to diversify the portfolio, and many, many more. So I will share the link with analytics, and you're gonna get access to these great people who use this platform on a pro level, and they have much more data than I'm just showing you to help you make the right decision. So, our topic is about how to identify the great neighborhoods, and I will show you some tricks and some insights about it. So, first of all, let me show you one interesting fact. We have a layer of development level. Development level means that what percentage of the square footage of the neighborhood already developed. And it's easy to identify that downtown, where is Burj Khalifa, is developed by 99.5%. It means that just a few plots are available for building something. And what do you think? Should you expect the huge growth of price for residential real estate here? No. It could grow, but not so fast as you would like to get. Why? Because all value is already created, and final users, like final buyers of residential real estate, like families, etc., already paying a high price. So there is no room, like no room just for huge growth of pricing. It's already happened here. That's why you can identify what is the level of development in each neighborhood and what opportunities are coming. Let me give you an opposite example. Let's see this neighborhood. This neighborhood has a level of development by 1.5%. It means that nothing exists right now in this neighborhood. So literally it's a desert or like in a field, right? It means that once you offer it to buy residential real estate in a project in a location with no infrastructure yet, it should be at least, not at least, but it should be 2 times cheaper than the price in similar locations nearby, but developed location. How to check it? So you see development level, for example, this neighborhood 1.5 and 26%, right? And now let's compare the prices between these two locations, price per square meter. You're going to see that here the price per square meter is $6,000 and here is $6,700. It means that this location should be valued 2 times less because it's in a desert. And once the price is too high, you shouldn't expect that the price will go up 2 times for the next 7, 10 years because nothing exists yet. And the value is going to be created after 5 years when the neighborhood is going to be developed at least 50% and final users and buyers will come to buy this property for the highest price because the final users and families, they pay the highest price for properties. Why? Because usually they take mortgage, and for them, like, they take mortgage 20, 30 years. For 20, 30 years, and for them, like, pay a small amount of money every month, it's quite okay. And that's why they pay on the highest price. But for investors, we should think like a little bit ahead, 3 years ahead or 2 years ahead at least, and thinking about who's going to be the final client, who's going to buy it, for what price, and how I'm going to make my ROI and return. That's why once you would like to buy something in a desert, you need to know that the price in a new neighborhood should be 2 times cheaper than in the neighborhood nearby with developed infrastructure. But this location is not. So there is no good room. There is no room for growing capital a lot. It could grow like several percent a year or something, but you couldn't expect like 10% growth a year and 15% growth a year already. So the price is too high. Let's compare this neighborhood and this neighborhood. This neighborhood is already developed, you see it, right? So the price 6.6 thousand. And here just 6,000. There is no a great difference. There is no big difference. It means that this location is more interesting for investment than this location, like just on the beginning. So once you invest in a desert, you should understand that your investment is going to be 7 to 10 years ahead. And once you should invest so for long term, for now, it means that the price should be 2 times less just to make profits in a long-term investment because the value is going to be created. The most value is going to be created far, far away, not far, far away, but the value is going to be created later. And also, sorry, and also once you buy real estate here, you will not able to rent it out. So not a lot of final buyers would like to live in a desert somewhere just in one built building, right? And nothing exists yet, no infrastructure. That's why the prices in the new location should be 2 times cheaper approximately than the comparable locations and neighborhoods nearby. This is a one trick. So not trick, but one life hack. Let me show you one interesting fact where most of the value is creating. Let's click development level. So you should pick locations which developed at least or almost 30% almost and more. So once you pick the location like 66% developed, it means that the value for final clients already developing, and this is an opportunity to grow your capital in the next 2-3 months. In this kind of level of development, you already can rent out apartment. You already have a demand for the rental because infrastructure developed, but also you have the room for improvements in the neighborhood and building new buildings, new infrastructure, opening new restaurants, etc. It means that the value of real estate will grow up fast because it's near the finish. And now the final big value is creating right now because the more value creating like on the third or fourth stage of developing the neighborhood. This is a good neighborhood for investment, and just try to identify the projects to buy and invest in a short term, like 3-4 years. And also, it's good for renting it out because the rent is the rent will increase, which with in parallel why sorry, in parallel, the neighborhood is developing. Also, this neighborhood is interesting. 44% developed. It means that the value now is creating for the investor right now. And other locations you could identify, like this location, 87% developed, so it's already near the finish. You shouldn't expect a huge growth, price growth here. And other locations. So the just simple strategy is just to pick locations with a 30% development up to 75, I could say. This is a stage of development neighborhood with the best potential for the next 3 years to grow your capital. This is a one life hack. Second life hack I would like to share with you today. And by the way, I have more than dozens life hacks like this, but I don't have a lot of time to tell you everything and just explain. Let's go and click average square price. So in real, the opportunity is about what is the average unit price. Let's have a look. So on these locations. So first of all, let's compare the average unit size and let's see one bedroom apartments. So one bedroom apartments, it's kind of commodity, across all residential markets. So literally one bedroom apartments, usually it's not so a big differentiator in terms of different location or buildings. So one bedroom apartment is kind of, kind of stable currency, I could say. Let's compare the prices. So here you can see $507,000. Here 438, 591, and two locations right here, 317 and 368. Two locations that have the room for growth capital. Just easy to identify by colors, right? So you can see two locations like here. This location is better because it's near to downtown Dubai Mall, etc. And this location is already more expensive. So don't buy in this location. Buy in this, like in this neighborhood. It's much better for your capital growth and for your rental, etc. Also, there is one trick. Usually developers use this trick, but you can use it, you can hack this trick. Let's have a look to these locations, $368,000 and 213. On the first look, you think, wow, this is a huge opportunity here, right? So, but the price is 2 times less. But you need to double check and click what is the average unit size in this location by a one bedroom apartment. And you're gonna know that here one bedroom apartment 66 meters and here only 35. That's why. So there is no opportunity. It's just the same price but with the smaller apartments. So no reason there is no gap. There is no opportunity, no hidden value. Yeah, this is how identifying the pricing in similar locations nearby and just double check it by average price per square meter, by average price per apartment. This is a life hack number 2, how identifying the underdeveloped locations. Of course, we can identify locations with the future infrastructure, what is going to be built. Let's click here, for example, and let's see. This system already covers all infrastructure that is going to be built. For example, we can click this. Maidan 1 mall should be developed, maybe. So this is going to be the mall. It's now stocked, but probably it's going to be developed by 2026, maybe a little bit more. It's going to be here and how this will impact the pricing on this graph. So it's super easy to understand what new infrastructure will go impact on the pricing. For example, in this location, it's going to be launching the new lagoon in 2025. So it's far away, not far away. This is going to be some kind of this type of lagoon, and once it's going to be launched, the prices will go up, and that's how the system predicts what is going to be with the pricing based on demand, supply, new infrastructure, and development level, and many more parameters. It's already combined in one graph, and just shows this graph shows you what neighborhoods have the best potential. This is the life hack number 3. You can collect all this information manually. It's going to take years for you. Or you can use this technology and information, and it's going to take you like half an hour to identify the interesting neighborhoods to buy something. Yeah, and many more interesting life hacks that we have for you guys. And to get access to these life hacks and information, let me share with you the chat. So you're gonna find my personal contacts in this chat, and also you're gonna find my analytics in this chart. They're very clever and they speak any language, whatever you like. We have different cultures, different languages, very smart people in the room, in the company. They are going to make personal research for you and will provide you personal insight about what to about like picking the neighborhoods, picking the projects, etc. And this is for free. So they make money on transactional. Once you transact and buy something, sellers paying commission to the company, and they get paid only for transactions. So they don't get paid depends on the commission level. So for them, the most important thing in their life is just to identify the best property for you, exactly for your case, for your budget, and just help you to close transaction, help you to send money, and help you to solve any kind of problems. That's why I'm going to share the chat with you. And in this chat, you can all join this chat and have a look at what audience we have now in this live stream and just speak with other investors, other users of the platform and clients of Realiste and ask opinions and reviews. So let me create a chat in WhatsApp. Pam pam pam. The date today. Okay. Pam 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 pam. Copy and send. I just send you the link to the chat in WhatsApp. Please join this link, and you're gonna find our team, experts, and analytics that they will help you to, answer all any of your questions and just make for your personal search, personal selections, and they will send you some interesting offers with a rent ROI 7% and plus, with a forecasting and appreciation rate with 10% and plus yearly, and many more opportunities that they literally will help you to, save a lot of your time. And they also use this platform daily as a professional on a professional level. Good. What else? So first of all, as I told you that this is a live stream number 2. We had already once live stream previously this week, and if you would like to get access to the recording, so also I will send you my personal bot. You're gonna click the link start, and you're gonna get the information and the link. And also, if you would like to participate in the live stream number 3, that is gonna be this week, and on this live stream number 3, we are gonna share information how to pick the best projects, best developers, etc. So all about the picking exact real estate. So stream number 1 was about how to pick the market. Stream number 2 today, how to pick the neighborhood. And stream number 3 is going to be how to pick the residential real estate exact unit, exact building, exact developer, and why. How to pick the best top 1% of opportunities from the market, and how to buy hidden gems and undeveloped properties. So this is a link to my bot. So just subscribe to Zip's bot, and you never miss important and valuable information and live streams from us. Copy and send. I just sent it to our chat. Wonderful. So please join, and you will never miss important information and updates from our team and technology and new projects and new opportunities, with all analytic and recommendations from us. Good. So, as I told you guys, it was several tricks or life hacks how to identify opportunities on residential real estate market by neighborhoods. And believe me, there are more opportunities to find identified. So I think my analyst will help you with your direct search, with your direct budget in a specific city you would like to buy residential real estate. And once again, it's free. Use the platform for free, use the analytics for free, and just pick the best property in the world with us. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching this video. I'm super glad that you joined this live stream, and see you soon on the live stream number 3, and see you right now in the chat. Thank you. Bye.